but you're probably into a dying business. First time ever in human history, now the power came to common men. All you need is your knowledge, your passion, and the magical device. The world has changed. Majority of people are still living in the past, right? Like social media managers are making 40 lakhs a year. Just social media managers making 40 lakhs a year. Video editors are making about 42 lakhs a year. High-ticket closers are making 36 lakhs to 1 crore a year. These are the things that was not even there before. There were no job or businesses called high-ticket closers. तो देख रहे हो, दुनिया बदल गई है. But unfortunately, most of the people are still living in the past. They're working hard, doing the traditional jobs, doing even traditional businesses also not good, by the way. If you think, मैं तो business कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो business कर रही हूँ, but you're probably into a dying business. You need to tap into the high-speed businesses, high-potential businesses, high-income skills. So क्या है high-income skills, high-speed businesses? What are the futuristic businesses? I'm going to share with you, right? And this is one slide that will give you a perspective कि दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गई है. See, we all came from Stone Age to Agriculture Age to Industrial Age to Information Age to Knowledge-Zenith Age. What was important in one age is no longer important in another age. There's always a shift that is happening. Like for example, what is important in Agriculture Age? What was important? Who was the most richest in Agriculture Age? Farmers, in short, who had the land. They were the rich people. Zamindar hote the na? How many remembers? Movies, old movies, right? Zamindars. Zamindar hai, Lala. Right? Those Lalas. Right? They were the rich people. But then there is a new shift came after the machines were born. And who were the rich people? Industrialists. Ambanis and Tatas and Birlas. Right? In India. Carnegies in the US and all. They became rich and successful. Then came information age, technology age. Who was successful here? Mark Zuckerberg. Oh, usse pehle, IBM. Right? Your computers, then cell phones and iPhones. Then came the social media age. Data became an asset. Pehle kya tha? Land was the asset. Fir kya tha? Machines were the asset. Factories were the asset. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Technology was the asset. Then data was the asset. आज के तारीख में क्या asset है? Knowledge. और ये मेरे दोस्त ऐसी चीज है जिसने पूरी लोगों की जिंदगी बदल दी है. Because the first time ever in human history, now the power came to common men. Right? Initially you do not have zameen. Your forefathers are not so smart. Otherwise, you would have been zamindar today. Right? And your forefathers did not have the resources and money and the connections, so they did not have factories. But what you can do today with just one magical device that you have no idea. Do you have the magical device? How many of you have the magical device smartphone? That's all you need. All you need is your knowledge, your passion, and the magical device.